Hello, welcome back to the Microsoft Excel training. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the small function. The small function is a statistical function. What do we use it for? We use it to return the k smallest value from a given range of numbers. It is useful when you need to find the lowest, the second lowest, or the third lowest etc. value in a data set. The syntax is equal sign small, and then you pick your array or your range of data, and then of course you get the k value. Use cases here, it's used for finding lowest price, maybe in a sales of data, identifying bottom performance in an exam or KPI report, extracting smallest expense from financial data. So let's go into the Excel sheet to see how this can be done. So here we have a set of data, and then it has the student's name, the scores from maths, English, science, and geography, and then we have their total score. So we want to find the position from the lowest, from the bottom, lowest scores from the bottom. So we're going to put equal sign and then put small. So what's our array? We're going to pick the total range as an array, and we're going to pick the position, close the bracket, hit the enter key. So we're going to get the lowest value from the bottom. So the lowest score from this is 240, and the second lowest, that is higher than the lowest, is this, and then just like that according to their lower position from the bottom. Okay, so you use the small function to find lower value based on the position. So if, for instance, you want to find position for each of the scores also, we can replicate that by simply putting equals small. And then, of course, we pick our array, maybe from maths. Select our array of data. And then, of course, we put our position. So this position, you can put an ordinary number or reference a cell where you have the value represented. So you can always get the lowest from the bottom to the top. So this is the small function in Excel. See you in another session. Bye for now.